Okay, this is part one of my 2013 stash. I was in Pittsburgh for Thanksgiving. I went to Wholesale Fireworks in Ohio, and this is about half of what I picked up. The other half I shot off for Thanksgiving. I'll be posting a video about that. Got small festival balls, box of them, 6 artillery shells in there. You got a Super Festival shell, Aquarian, Spring Lightning, Cosmic Creature, Unleashed. Those are all 200-gram cakes. Got Thunderballs. It's Roman candles. They're no color. They shoot up, and there's a report at the top. Salute. I got 3 packs of the crackling balls, a UFO spinner, and got a box of American Brave artillery shells. There's 12 of them in there. There's 12 different effects. So that's part one, my 2013 stash. Hope you enjoy.